Guys, so if you guys saw my last few videos, I made a fidget vending machine, but in one of my videos it broke, like the handle fell off and it's just not good. So I made a new one and it's a lot easier. So you guys should make this one. Okay, so since I want 2 fidgets, I'm going to put in 2 coins. Oh, there it is. Okay, time to slide in my money. It's kind of like my money card, I guess. Can't put it in. This is really hard with one hand. Okay, one fell. Oh, they both fell. Okay, slide out my money card. Okay, let's reach in, see what I got. Okay, let's see. Okay, wait. So I got a cute pig mochi and, ooh, a tangle. Okay, let me show you how it works. So it's really not that hard, honestly. Okay, so I used it with some craft tools, paper, and hot glue. So I used a shoebox and cardboard. So, okay, so this is where the prizes sit. And so pretty much when you slide the card in, oh wait, let me find it. So when you slide the card in, it pushes the prizes off. And then in here is where the coins go. So it's like this little door that you can open and you can get the coins out. So yeah, basically the card just, hold on, let me see what I'm doing. So the money card just pushes it off, and then you reach through here and grab it. So yeah, I can maybe make a tutorial for you guys if you want it. So yeah, bye.